we got a ride on the Fjord Explorer, the fairly recently new Mack ride water coaster, and we've got a front row to film with the GoPro, and we've got Vince on here with us, dreading getting soaked, don't you, Vince? Yeah. And Claire and Leah's there, behind you.
Hello, looking forward to this one. I want to get a really good soaking on this.
It's a pretty hot day, not as hot as it was when we were in Wallaby rolling out, but I think it's only been open a couple of months, I think. Might be wrong, maybe 2 or 3 months. Opened this year anyway, this stuff. Really well themed, this is. Only a little spray. That was really good. That was. It was for a water coaster. It was very smooth.
That's the best drop on one of them ever.
Yeah, and for a water type coaster, it's very smooth.
Yeah, but the first drop was brilliant on that.
Yeah. Excellent theming on the ride. Did you enjoy it, Vince?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah. So at least we didn't get it was cow and vile off in, so it was alright.
I like it,
that was good. It was alright, so at least we didn't get it was cow and vile.
That's it.
Maggie does some of the more intense rides we've taken on in the past. Lovely themed.